So Vi can very easily one-shot a chain dashboard, for instance, for you. So let's say I want to build me a dashboard showing in real time all NFT, so ERC-721 transfers and ERC-20 transfers happening on, let's say, Optimism. For the NFT transfers, I want to see the image, name, and description if you can parse it from the metadata. I also want a personalized element where I can see all the NFTs I own on Optimism. And I want the app to be themed red and white because that's the Optimism logo. And yeah, we can build this. So it's been about 30 seconds of the AI running, and it's dispatched a couple sub-agents just to understand how to implement this. One thing that's key here is it's looking at the Alchemy API documentation just to understand how to use that to grab the metadata for the NFTs. It's also created a to-do list of tasks that it's just going to slowly cross off and get through. So Vi has just finished making our app for us, and we can bring this out to another tab and we can see this at work. So the first thing we can do is just sort of connect our wallet to see our personal portfolio of NFTs. So I have two sort of garbage NFTs on Optimism. We can also filter these out with built-in spam filtering in Vi. We can look at the real-time token transfers. Seems this is working well. And then also the real-time NFT transfers. Let's see how this looks. So this looks fine, and we get the descriptions and the names and token IDs and pretty much everything we want. The other thing here is we also have a toggle between light and dark mode. So this is available, and seems like the app has followed through with our red and white theming, or at least Optimism theming. Back in the app, there's a number of different things that you can make use of. So you can refresh the app. You can reboot the app via the terminal refresh button here. You can pull out the app to another tab. You can, of course, come in and edit the code if you want yourself. There is a contract tab, which we'll cover in more detail later, but there's a number of things you can do through the contract tab. There's versioning, so if we had multiple versions, you can toggle between different versions of the app. You can also download the actual code, so that's been downloaded to my folder. You can clone the project, you can fork it, you can share it, you can publish it, and sharing it has different visibility settings. And you can also add a couple integrations. So Alchemy is actually supported out of the box. So as you can see in this app, we've actually used Alchemy here to query the NFT metadata. So Alchemy will work, but it'll work using R keys, which are rate limited. If you want higher rate limits, you can just integrate with your own Alchemy account and bring your own keys. The other integration that's live is Privy. So, as you saw in the app, Wallet Connect works great. I was able to connect my wallet and see the NFTs in my wallet on Optimism. But by default, it just checks for whatever browser wallets you have or that the user has. If you want a better Wallet Connect experience, you can integrate with Privy, and that should do the trick.